Hey everyone, I thought I would do this memorabilia video, stuff that I got at Ocean City, New Jersey, that is of Wonderland Pier, that I got whenever I was on vacation a month ago. I wanted to do this video a lot sooner, but ever since we got home, I've been very, very busy. So here we are. I'll do the video now. In a way, this keeps the park alive in a way, and still in sight and mind for people. This picture is probably one of my favorites, just because it's the drone shot of the whole entire park from Ocean City, New Jersey drone, who takes fantastic photos from the air and videos. I got this one at Marty's on the boardwalk, and but you can also go to Ocean City, New Jersey drone's website, and you can buy a print of Wonderland. He has a whole collection full of Wonderland prints, coasters, etc., etc., so check that out. The sticker here isn't all of Wonderland, but it's of Ocean City, New Jersey boardwalk and its landmarks. But Wonderland is right there, so that is pretty cool. And it's very detailed, so that's why I was like, I had to have it. And so yeah, and I think it's so cool how it has the side facade with the painting. And over here I have the on-ride photo of me on Canyon Falls log flume, and that was great. I'm glad I was able to ride that for the first and last time. Fun ride. It's like a mini Splash Mountain, which unfortunately that is closed too, and getting a retheme, but that's for another time. My opinion on that. And then finally here, this t-shirt, also got it at Marty's, and it has the giant wheel on it, and since that has a lot of memories for me, I had to have something that had the giant wheel on it, and the carousel too, but I don't have any memorabilia of that, which I wish that I had the rings for that. And it's cool because the wording here even has the signs that you would see outside of the pier, and they would rotate, which is pretty cool. And then it also says 1929 to 2024. So that's my gear that I have, and I will cherish them forever. Memories will last forever of this park for sure. Ever since I've been coming to this park ever since I was a little baby. So anyway, God bless.